Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up and comment below sections. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, I have another unboxing today. It's from Valentino. Yes, this is my first time on a Valentino shoes. So, yep, it is the shoes. So, let's unbox this box in here. And I didn't open yet. It actually arrived today when I got home from work. Oh, thank God, because it says it's gonna arrive tomorrow, but it came out today. So I have a scissor in here to open it. By the way, Valentino is having on 40% off. So I guess this is better to purchase when on sale because it's 40%. And I don't know, I never tried any shoes from Valentino. And this is the first time I will have. And probably I will do a match shot on shoes. And yeah, well, we'll see if it's fit on me or too big or too small, because guys, I have really small feet and I struggle. Sometimes I always shop in a kid size. So came open now finally. Okay, hold on. How would you open this? Oh gee. Hey guys, I'm sorry. It is well packed. Look at that. The Valentino do a well packaging very well. See what is in here. I think this is your return slip if you wanna return. And hopefully guys, this is actually fit on me, or hopefully I like these shoes because I don't know, this is, you will see. And they give me, oh, look at this. Sorry guys, to be honest with you, today, it's been 3 days in a row. The weather is so beautiful, finally. So, yeah, they give me a copy of like a gift. And this is my receipt, I think. I am size 35 and size 2 in the UK. Actually, I've been eyeing this kind of shoes since the Valentino sent me an email that they're having 40% off, but it take a long time for me to keep stocking every day if they have available of size 35. Finally, that day that I purchased this, it has size 2. So look how is this. Okay guys, I'm gonna make a thumbnail because I always forgot to do a thumbnail. So look at this guy, the beautiful packaging of a Valentino shoes, and also they have a ribbon. So guys, look at that. The ribbon has Valentino name on it. This box away. So are you guys ready? What shoes did I purchase? So look at that. Oh my God, the sun is really bright. Even though I closed the window, look at that. How beautiful is this? I actually keep all the ribbon because sometimes I use for my headband. So make it creative. So there it is, a beautiful red bag of Valentino. of course. So it has these two. So there you go. I think the free stud. What is the other one though? Oh, this is the, I think, care book. It's really nice. And of course they have one pouch or dust bag. This luxury shoes or handbags, they really have a good dust bag. Sorry, I'm just minta-block. I'm sorry because I was so excited to have this. So that's what it is. This is, there you go, guys. This is the shoes. This is called a, let's see, I forgot. I'm sorry guys, I forgot what's the name of these shoes. So the categories is sandal espadrillas. That's this part of espadrillas. I'm sorry guys, it's my throat. It's, well, it's not hurting, it just, anyhow, yeah, I just leave on the side the name of this shoes. Actually, this one, it sold me out because this part over here is a, I don't know what you call this one. I am really minta-black. I just leave on the side the name of this. It's like a rope, yeah. See that? It's just like a rope all over the side. I wish the sun, it's not bothers my, to even this one over here. I don't know guys, is this one is gonna last when it's, if I wear this on a rainy, and it will come out, or maybe I'm hoping that this sewed inside instead of a just using a glue to stick all together. And yeah, this is the Rockstud. I forgot really, sandal Rockstud. I just, like I mentioned, I just leave that this the name of this shoes. And so let's see the other one. It said Valentino Garavani, made in Spain, and size 35. Let's see the other one, guys. It's really nice because even in this one on here, they put all together just to, you know. Oh my god, it's really beautiful shoes. I mentioned on my last bag and outfit of the day that I like this kind of shoes because it doesn't hurt your heel when you walk all day and night. Sometimes I use one shoes until nighttime, and it's most comfortable shoes that I have if I have this kind of heel. And this is the best for me heel because it's, like I mentioned, it's very comfy. And this is the shoes. Let me remove this. I finger crossed guys that this shoes is actually fit on me, and because I have a really small feet. So that's the shoes. I know I just had a Hermes shoes, but this is a really good deal, so I can't stop me to not buy this. And besides, this is my first Valentino shoes. There you go guys, it's all black together. And I think the stud, it's like a rose gold, not really make it shiny to make like when you wear it like too gold. This one I think it's like a rose gold. There you go guys, I can't really wait to do this. I wanna try, if I didn't put the video of a uh, mud shot of a shoes because I have to clean my feet. Because normally, guys, I didn't really put nail polish on my toenail. I just clean and then buff, and that's it. But I try to put a I try to make a video of a mud shot of the shoes, and oh my god, I hope that this one, because the way I look at it, it looks big because mostly my shoes, when I look, oh, this is my size, I can tell that this is my size. This is actually fit on me. And anyway, I will do a mud shot of these shoes, and I will see you guys later.